I'm Ilona Shell and I come from Mehmet Akif Girls College, and today I am presenting you a simple experiment, and we should need some baking soda, vinegar, a bottle and a balloon. First we are gonna throw the vinegar into the bottle. After that we take the balloon and throw into it the baking soda. We are going to put the balloon into the bottom such in a way to cover the head. The baking soda is put it with the vinegar and we are seeing the result. But what happened here? Since the vinegar is an acid and the baking soda is a base, they enter into a reaction with each other and the carbon dioxide is released. Then this is why the balloon is large.